I've spent several months in Japan this year, exploring all kinds of spaces, from everyday objects and furniture to art and cultural spots. Across these places, I noticed the same attention to detail and thoughtful approach to how things are designed and lived with. So in today's video, I want to take you along to some of my favorite spots that reflect the side of Japan and hopefully inspire your next visit. Around the Asakusa area, you'll come across a quirky little store, Dill Pickle Club. Inside, you'll find a variety of lifestyle and interior decorations. Things like keychains, pins, clothes, and all sorts of random objects for your home. It has a really cozy feel, and the deeper you go, the more interesting it gets. At the back, you'll find unique lighting like lava lamps and some really fun clocks. If you're into eclectic interiors, bold colors, and playful shapes, you'll probably end up spending way more time here than you planned. Just 10 minutes away, you'll find Hakujitsu, a charming gallery filled with Japanese antiques and contemporary art. It's a completely different vibe from Dill Pickle Club, almost like stepping back in time. The space itself has so much character, and every piece feels thoughtfully created, with each one standing as a statement piece on its own. At Hakujitsu, I got to meet Sota, who shared the history behind some of the pieces, which made the experience even more special and gave me a deeper appreciation for the collection. If you enjoy objects with history, character, and personality, this is definitely a place worth checking out. I've been to Japan so many times, and as someone who loves collecting akari lamps, I'm surprised it took me this long to visit Ozeki Tokyo Gallery in Ginza. Ozeki has been making traditional Gifu paper lanterns since the late 1800s, and later worked with Isamu Noguchi to produce the iconic akari lamps that many of us know today. It was really inspiring to see the history behind these lamps and how they are still handcrafted using traditional techniques. They had so many different models on display, including a few I never knew existed, the stock can be pretty limited, so finding the one you want takes a little bit of luck. But even if you're not buying anything, it's worth visiting just to see so many akari lamps in one space and admire the craftsmanship up close. If you're into mid-century modern furniture, you have to visit mid-century modern Tokyo in Nakameguro. It's a huge open space filled with iconic pieces from the brands like Herman Miller and Vitra, alongside beautifully aged vintage furniture. I love how the natural patina gives every piece its own character, making each one feel unique. Honestly, it feels like a playground, being able to see so many design classics all in one place. They also have a great selection of Eames plastic shower chairs, which I actually bought 2 from on my last trip here. This will always be one of my favorite places to stop whenever I'm back here in Tokyo. Away from furniture and into art and design, I also stopped by Ginza Graphic Gallery. It's a small gallery dedicated to graphic design with rotating exhibitions that differ with the city's seasons. They showcase everything from posters to typography to branding and print design. Even if you're not a designer, it's a fascinating space that gives you a new appreciation for the thought and creativity behind visual communication. Admission is free, so it's an easy place to add to itinerary if you're around Ginza. I wanted to visit a place that shows another side of Japanese craftsmanship through food. Sahsya Kanetanaka is a beautiful tea house in Omotesando that combines traditional Japanese elements with a modern, minimalist space. The atmosphere here is really calm and thoughtfully designed. From the interior to the seasonal sweets and tea, it's a nice place to slow down for a moment and enjoy a quieter side of Tokyo.